In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add Trustpilot reviews on your website on Wix. Let's get started right away. So for this, we need the Wix Classic Editor, and we also need a website called Elf Site. So go to Elf Site, and then next up, click on Widgets right there, and you will then be able to find reviews right there. And then next up, you want to find Trustpilot, which is right here. Click on it, and you can then set this up. So first of all, you want to click on Create Widget, which you can find at the top right corner, and you can then set up your template. So if you scroll down, you can choose any of these templates right here. They have about seven on their website. So choose the one you like. I'll go with this one, and then click on continue with this template. Next up, you can customize this. So you want to place the Trustpilot URL. Okay, so paste that right there. You can change the header title, the language. You can add filters, change the layout, change the review style, and the normal style as well. Now once you're done setting that up, you want to click on join to install and then sign up for an account. I already have an account, so I'm going to click on login right there, and they should then send you back to the page where you need to click on save. Let's see if that actually happens. Yes, there you go. So now click on save at the top right corner. They will then send you to this, and right here you need to choose a pricing plan. I'll go with the $0 a month one, but that's totally up to you guys. If you're building a legit like company website or store, I recommend choosing the pay plan. Next up, copy the code, then go to Wix, click on add, click on more. Right there you'll then find the HTML iframe. You want to click on that, and then you want to click on enter code, paste that code in there, click apply, and the review will then show up right here. Okay, so you just want to drag this over where it fits on your website. Okay, so let's say that I want to use that right here. You then do it like that. So that's how you can do this. If this video helps you out, leave a like, and then I'll see you next time.